This is a project that we got called upon to do in Foxboro. It was part of two decks on two separate locations. This deck, we stripped everything right down, added new footings, new framework, new TimberTech decking, all new stairs, privacy lattice work with storage and access to the underside of the deck, wrapped all the posts in PVC. There was obviously a separate contractor doing vinyl siding on the house at the same time, so we worked together. AZAC handrails, as well as hidden fasteners on all decking. We did a 1x4 privacy underneath the main deck, as you can see in the photographs, and underneath the stairs. This project approximately took us 2.5 weeks. We actually bought in a demo crew to demo this entire deck, put it into the dumpster on site, along with another deck that we did not too far away, same time. The homeowners were very happy that it enhanced their entertaining space, because she recently put in a pool in the backyard and she wanted to update her deck. For your next project, please give us a chance to bid your project. You can reach us at 617-708-5355 and take a look at our reviews on Google. Look forward to hearing from you.